Performance anxiety, pre-game jitters, stage fright, all are same and it happens to everyone. So don't ever feel like you are the only one who suffers from this performance anxiety while getting onto the front of room, while giving a presentation or while entering into a debate. You will always feel a degree of performance anxiety before giving a big presentation, an important seminar or maybe an interview. The key isn't eliminating that performance anxiety, as one cannot eliminate the performance anxiety. The key is understanding what is going inside your body and how to put that to use for you instead of against you. Now, why does it happen? Performance anxiety is basically caused by the most primitive part of your brain misperceiving an opportunity as a threat. So now, like that, your eyes are wide open, your breathing is shallow, your heart is running very fast, and now your mouth is totally parched, even your palms are very sweaty. So would you like to give presentation? I don't think so, but you will, and you will do your best just to get through it. Now that you are delivering a presentation and you are feeling totally nervous, and suddenly your eyes are gazing here and there, and suddenly you came across a person who is yawning, and then second, and then third, and eventually what you think, oh my god, I'm losing my audience. So now you have started perceiving your audience as even big threat, a threat to your reputation, a threat to your career, and of course your earnings too. So now you talk faster and you are avoiding eye contact with your public, and you are doing your best just to get through it. And at last you feel happy. You are done with the presentation part and you are happy that you survived out of it. But that is the only thing that you did. And I'm sure after that you won't feel like giving any more presentations in future. But that should not be the case. We should try to overcome this performance anxiety. Hi, my name is Manisha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I am going to tell you how to get out of this vicious circle. So now, let's get into the video. First thing that I would like to tell you is to shift your focus from yourself and the fear of failure to your true purpose. Now, what is your true purpose? Of course, your true purpose is to deliver a flawless presentation, right? So you need to divert your attention from yourself towards giving your presentation to the audience. Now secondly, stop scaring yourself with the thoughts of what might go wrong, because this is not your job. Because at present your job is to deliver a very good presentation that you are for. And now if you started scaring yourself with the thought of what might go wrong, in that case you won't be able to give a good presentation. So think of the situations that are calming and reassuring within yourself. One very important point is like treating your audience as your friend. Don't treat the audience as your enemy, and don't ever think that the audience is sitting right in front of you to make judgment about you. Don't consider them like that. Consider them as your friends and talk them in a very friendly manner. That would really help you in gaining confidence while delivering a very good presentation. So one last and very important tip that I would like to tell you is stop trying to be perfect and tell it to yourself it is okay to make mistakes. Be natural, be yourself. That is the best way that you can help yourself in delivering a very good presentation. So friends, I think these tips will definitely help you to reduce the performance anxiety while giving a presentation. And if you really like my video, do subscribe to my channel and do like my video. Thank you.